It is known that JLo has released her makeup tutorial for her daily go-to makeup look. And what specifically struck me was that she would put bronzer around her lips, like lining them. What she did was to make your lips puffier, she would put it around, and that's what I have on. I'm going to recommend a lip shade that would probably work better in these days since I still wear my face mask. I still wear a mask every day when I go to work, and I cannot wear a lip gloss, and sadly, but I want to know what shade would be perfect for the JLo look, and this I have is the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in 35 Cheeky, and of course we shake it. And I don't have anything on right now, but I did put a balm and some bronzer around the lips. And when I apply this, I avoid pressing my lips together because I don't want to reduce the shine that this gives. And once you're ready, just give it maybe a few minutes, and there you go. So this is the JLo shade I think that is closest, at least what I have.